The bind project tool is helpful when you want to project one object to the surface of another object. So in this case, I want to project this pocket to the shift. So I will set target to shift, then select the pocket and just press bind. Now when I play the animation, you will see the pocket is snapped to the surface, but it didn't lose any depth. There are a few things to know about this tool. So first thing is, if I unbind, the new helper grid object was created, and it is required to properly transfer movement from the sheet from the cloth to the pocket. So now when you want to move the pocket in different place, you cannot do this like this, because the results will be like wrong. Instead, you should move the grid object itself. So let's say I want to move this up, like so, and then bind again. You have now the proper result. Another thing to note is that if I, let's say, duplicate, first unbind, then duplicate, the local y-axis has to point toward the normal of the cloth, because if I rotate this like so and trying to bind, you will just have very bad results. So I will unbind this, rotate this toward the cloth. Maybe I will put this on the arm, like so. And now when I bind this, the result will be okay. So I hope you will find this tool useful, and see ya.